Hello my loves, welcome to Sunday Reset with Domonique. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my typical Sunday and things that I usually do to reset for the upcoming week. Alright, let's get started. So after washing my face, brushing my teeth, doing all of the typical morning duties, I like to go ahead and make up my bed and clean up the room, clean up anything that we've left out over the week, and just straighten everything up, put everything back in place. One thing I do every single day is make up my bed. However, I just feel like throughout the week, things just accumulate all over the dressers, and it's like, what in the world? So as you can see, I'm just cleaning off the dressers, putting away everything, and then I like to do a wipe down. I love this micro band. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, and then I go in with these Clorox wipes and just wipe down the dressers, wipe down the handles, everything like that. And I also like this dresser. What the heck? Why do we accumulate so much stuff on this dresser throughout the week? Also, I have folded up clothes and I never put them up. I just set them on the dresser. But I do like to go through, clean the mirrors, and wipe down everything. And of course, we had to light a candle. So this is a teak wood scent, and when I tell you it smells so amazing, I got it from like Burlington or somewhere like that. And I love this stress relief spray. It's actually from Bath and Body Works, and I haven't read this book yet, but I like the way that it looks on my dresser, and I love what it says. It's just a reminder that, baby, we're building an empire. Summer has to have her book in there with her. She sleeps in the bed with Skylar, but in the middle of the night she come in there. And honey, that probably got thrown in the corner one night this week. Let me stop messing with y'all. But next is cooking breakfast, taking my vitamins or supplements. I love the blood builder. It really helps with my iron. Getting my water in is key. Of course, I'm trying to cook breakfast and the girls are running in and out. But this is our beautiful breakfast on Sunday. I usually do a big breakfast on the weekends, and it's just family day, family time. We just enjoy each other. So after eating breakfast, Sean takes the task of cleaning up the kitchen. So he cleans up after breakfast, washing the dishes, wiping down everything. And while he is doing that, I like to go ahead and, clean up the bathrooms. We really don't clean up in any specific order. We just, I like to knock it out in the morning, like as far as like cleaning up the bathrooms and just cleaning up different areas in the house. So the rest of the day is free for us to chill and just relax. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the bathrooms, just putting away everything that we've left out throughout the week, just wiping down everything, cleaning the toilets, sweeping, mopping, all of that stuff. Everything that you typically do when you're cleaning up the bathroom.
Why I don't get it, we say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be
Feel good? Feel good?
I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
Summer daddy's back anymore.
So now it's just some family time. We get ready to watch a movie. We picked up a movie from Redbox, and now we're just getting ready to chill out, relax, and watch the movie. I cannot tell you the movie that we watched, honey. It wasn't that good for me to even remember to recommend it to you. But now I'm just going through folding all of the laundry. Something I kind of dread, but I know it has to get done, so I have to do it. And during this time, I like to listen to a sermon, either Transformation Church, and it's a little later, about 5:30 in the afternoon, so I'm going to go ahead and start on dinner. I'm actually cooking keto sesame chicken wraps, and I'm doing broccoli and cheese, and that is pretty much what we are having for dinner. Also cooking a lot of food because I like to meal prep on Sundays. This just makes life easier for throughout the week. Sean already has his meals for lunch to take with him to work, and I don't have to cook as much throughout the week when I meal prep. So I'm just, look at that cheese. Good. Girl, you can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that. Honey, delicious. Okay. So if you want this recipe, I will try to remember to link it down below. I did add a few things like walnuts was not included in the recipe, but I thought it would add a nice touch to the meal, and it did. I decided to pull out these egg wraps. They're supposed to be like an alternative for tortillas, so I wrapped some of the meat in the tortillas and I packed the lunch. And for the girls, I actually cooked these chicken nuggets for them. The Tyson nuggets are bomb, and they ate their broccoli and cheese along with it. So that's the meat they had. And of course, after that, I like to clean up the kitchen, load the dishwasher. As you can see, Sean is over there doing some schoolwork. The girls are probably chilling out on their iPads. Summer is actually helping me out in the kitchen. She's my little helper. She's always around trying to do little stuff. And I'm just wiping down everything. And then after this, I'm just going to go in and finish folding up the laundry and hanging up all of the things that need to be hung up. So like I previously said, when I'm doing laundry, I like to listen to a sermon. So I'm pretty sure I was listening to Transformation Church right now, and it just helps me get things done when I'm listening or watching something. It just takes my mind off of the task that I have to do, which is a task that I don't like doing and that I don't want to do. But like I said, it has to get done. So hey, it is what it is. And then I like to immediately go ahead and put it away, because if I don't put it away now, baby, it won't get put away. And last but not least, I like to end my night with a shower. And during this time, I exfoliate, I shave if I need to. I do have a shower routine coming soon for you guys. And this is typically how my Sundays go. They're super chill. I like to do some cleaning and just tidying up around the house. And of course, like earlier, we took a nap after we watched the movie. So Sundays are chill for the most part. And very productive, I must say. And I'm not in the bathroom very long by myself, because as you can see, I have some company coming. Look at her.
Come here.
What
Stand up,
happened?
come on, stand up.
She had to
Oh, she had back of the other man. That's okay. We're just playing. Alright, look. About to jump up. Listen.
Thank you all so much for watching. If this is your first video, make sure it's not your last. Come on and join the family. And if you have been around before, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I will see you in my next one. Have a wonderful and blessed Sunday. Mwah.
What is trouble?